Now we're going to talk about rational exponents. What is the meaning of the exponent in the expression 16 raised to the power? So now exponents are fractions. We're going to look at what that means. So to interpret a rational exponent, look at what happens if you extend the properties of integer exponents to rational exponents. Assume the power property. Assume the power of a power property applies to an exponent in the form 1 over m. So 16 to the 1/4 we can rewrite as 2 to the 4th is equal to 16 raised to the power of 1/4. And then that's going to equal 2, right? Because 4 times 1/4 equals 1. So 2 has to equal the 4th root of 16. So 16 to the 1/4 is a number you raise to the 4th power to get 16. This means you can define 16 to the 1/4 to be the 4th root of 16, which is 2. So in general, for positive integer n, x to the 1 over n is defined as the nth root of x. So x raised to the power of 1n is equal to the nth root of x. It's just another way of expressing the same thing. So if it was like x to the 1/3 power, that would be the cube root of x, for instance. So what about if the exponent is not 1/3, but it's 2/3? Well, we're also going to rewrite this using the power of a power property. So instead of 27 raised to the power of 2/3 is 27 to the power of 1/3 squared. 27 to the power of 1/3, we learned in the previous example, is the same thing as cube root of 27 squared. And now cube root of 27 is 3, and when you square that, you get 9. So this is equal to 9. Two examples here to try, so pause it, try it, and come back. Well, unfortunately, my pen stopped working, but I can talk you through it. 25 to the 1/2 power is the same thing as saying square root of 25, which is 5. So the answer to part A is 5. And then for part B, 32 raised to the power of 2/5 is the same thing as the 5th root of 32 squared. The 5th root of 32 is 2. And then when you square 2, you get 4. So the answer to part B would be 4. All right, let's take a look at example 3.